Welcome back to everyone. In this video, I will guide you how to disable Google personalized ads on Motorola G37 power. Let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. Here, click on Settings app. Now in Setting, scroll down and click on Google. After click on Google, scroll down and click on ads. After click on ads, click on add privacy. If you want to disable Google personalized ads, click on add topics, turn off, disable. After disable ads, go back to home screen. So please subscribe for more new latest videos. Thanks for watching.